Hi guys, this is another latest your scarf, how to use it to wrap a top hijab. So it's another latest. So you see this cap also. If you need the tutorial, just write it in the comment section. So look at this. Let's just begin this tutorial. See this. Now you see the scarf that I'm using. That scarf is little stretching. Then you see how I pick it. So you start from the front, then use your pin to pin that place, and if you wish, you can do what, you can tie it instead of using pin to pin it. So you start picking it from the back. Okay, let me just leave you guys. You can be watching it. You can see the processing. It's very simple. You do it by yourself. So because some people don't like wearing hijab, so you can be buying this and be doing it by yourself. Yeah, there are some Christians also that love dressing like this. So you can be buy the scarf, then you turn it to hijab. So pick the last one from the back, then pin it up. You can see it. Alright guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Look at the back. Look at the front. See? Okay guys, we shall see in my next video. Bye.